How to form an LLC in New Jersey. When starting a new company, choosing a business entity is one of the most important decisions that you make. For most businesses with more than one founding member, forming an LLC is often the best option. Before we begin, let's quickly define what an LLC is. An LLC stands for Limited Liability Company and is an uncomplicated business structure that gives business owners legal protection by separating personal assets from business debts. However, creating an LLC can get complicated depending on where you're based, as the process differs from state to state. To avoid any missteps, follow along as we show you how to form an LLC in New Jersey. The first step in forming an LLC is to select a name. New Jersey has two naming guidelines to follow. 1. An LLC's name must contain one of the following phrases or abbreviations: Limited Liability Company, or LLC, at the end. 2. An LLC's name must be distinguishable from the names of existing businesses on file with the New Jersey Division of Revenue and Enterprise Services. After selecting a name for your LLC, you can reserve it with the New Jersey Division of Revenue and Enterprise Services. To do this, first, make sure your business name is available in New Jersey by performing a business search. 2. File an application for reservation of name with the New Jersey Division of Revenue and Enterprise Services online to reserve the name for up to 120 days. Note that reserving a name has a fee. Check the description below for more details. Step 2. Designate a registered agent. Like most U.S. states, forming an LLC in New Jersey requires appointing a registered agent service. A registered agent is an individual or a company that acts as your official point of contact in the state to receive legal documents, service of process, and other official communications from the state. It is their job to forward these documents and communications to your LLC in a timely manner. A registered agent also helps save time mailing documents and keeps your address and other personal information private. Your registered agent must meet the following requirements. 1. Must be a state resident with a street address in New Jersey. 2. Have a business office in New Jersey if located out of state. Check out the description below for recommended registered agent services that can guide you through this entire process. Step 3. File public records. An LLC is created in New Jersey by filing a public record for a new business entity with the New Jersey Division of Revenue and Enterprise Services. Public records must provide the following details: LLC name, LLC's general business purpose, LLC's dissolution date, registered agent name and address, signature of an authorized LLC representative. You can make the filing online or complete a printed form and mail it to the Division of Revenue. Note that there is a fee. Check the description below for more details. Next is to create an operating agreement. An operating agreement does the following: describes your business structure, establishes the individual responsibilities and obligations of your LLC members, details how the LLC will be run. Although New Jersey doesn't require one, an operating agreement clarifies the specific duties of its members, which may help your LLC avoid significant legal and operational difficulties. Step 5. Get an EIN. Before your company is ready to start doing business, you must obtain an IRS Employer Identification Number, EIN, by applying on the IRS website. The 9-digit EIN is like a social security number for a business and is necessary for things like paying income tax, filing tax returns, opening a business bank account. You can apply for an EIN on the IRS website. Finally, make sure to complete all additional legal requirements. File annual reports. All active New Jersey LLCs must file an annual report with the Division of Revenue and Enterprise Services each year. The report is due during the LLC's anniversary month. An LLC must file its annual report online with the New Jersey Division of Revenue. Pay taxes. All LLCs active in New Jersey must register with the New Jersey Division of Revenue. You can file online or by mail. Acquire additional licenses. Certain New Jersey LLCs may require additional business licenses or permits. For information on how to fulfill local business licensing requirements, contact a city clerk or local government representative in the municipality where your LLC's principal office is located. So, to sum it up, how to form an LLC in New Jersey. 1. Select a name. 2. Designate a registered agent. 3. File public records. 4. Create an operating agreement. 5. Obtain an employer identification number. 6. Fulfill your legal obligations, particularly relating to filing annual reports, registering for taxes, and applying for any additional licenses you may need. By following these steps, you can form an LLC in New Jersey. All the websites mentioned earlier are located in the description below, as well as a link to a guide. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos answering your questions to all things LLC.